According to yoga philosophy, the first niyama is Saucha, which means cleanliness or purity. Cleanliness in the body, purity in the mind and heart. Today I'm going to show you a short yoga practice, one asana, one pose, one mudra, a hand gesture, and one mantra, a chant, affiliated with Saucha to help you integrate Saucha on the mat and of course integrate Saucha into your daily life. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So I'd like for you to take a moment, just come to a comfortable seated position, whatever that feels like for you today. Maybe just stagger the shins in Sukhasana, roll your shoulders back and down, open the palms, close the eyes. Take a moment, notice how you're feeling physically, mentally, and emotionally today. And I invite you to take a moment and think about this concept of cleanliness in body, purity in mind, and in heart. Ask yourself, did you bathe today? Are you clean today? Ask yourself about your environment, especially your living environment. Is your living environment clean, or do you need to declutter? And take a moment, tune inward, and check in with your thoughts. Notice if your thoughts are pure, or if your thoughts feel cluttered and disorganized, not clean, not pure. Just take a moment and observe all these things. When you're ready, you're welcome to open the eyes. I'm going to show you Tatva Mudra. With your palms up, take your thumbs and just touch the very base of your ring finger and open the palms. This mudra helps remind us that our true essence is pure, is innocent, and is holy. So remember this mudra in a minute. Now I invite you to join me for one of my favorite poses, child's pose. So you can draw your knees into your chest, take your fingertips around your thighs, take a big breath in, breathe out slowly and gently, curl the spine all the way down. Then take a deep inhale, draw your knees into your chest, and exhale as you grab the outer edges of the feet, open the legs, shine the soles of the feet to the ceiling, and if it feels good, gently rock side to side. This should feel like a little mini massage for your low back. Happy baby pose. And as you breathe deeply, opening the hips, stretching the legs, close the eyes. And as you breathe into happy baby, maybe think of connecting to your inner child, that place of innocent curiosity, playfulness that we often suppress as adults. Think of connecting to your inner child, the purity within. And just invite a sense of play here. Maybe play with straightening one leg and then straightening the other. Maybe straighten both legs. Do what feels good. Maybe think of inviting your inner child to come out and play the next time you find yourself taking something a little too seriously. And just play with this pose. Explore any movements that feel good to you. And whenever you feel ready, gently bring the soles of your feet together, lower your feet beneath your hips, then rest your hands on either side of your hips. Go back to Tatva Mudra. Take your thumbs and bring them to the base of your index fingers. And the chant I invite you to practice today is Om, Aim, Hridayam, Namaha. According to yoga philosophy, this chant ignites our heart to burn through whatever blocks us from recognizing our purest essence, the purest form of ourself. We'll practice 3 rounds. Take a deep breath in. Om Aim Hridayam Namaha. Om Aim Hridayam Namaha. Om Aim Hridayam Namaha. When you're ready, gently lengthen the legs long. Allow the toes to rest outwards. Let every muscle in your body relax. And just take a moment to absorb the energy of that practice. Notice any subtle shifts you might feel in the body, in the mind, in the heart. And when you're ready, take a deep inhale, do a full body stretch, and exhale as you gently press yourself back up to a comfortable seated position. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope it was interesting and enjoyable and felt good. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And I would love to hear how you're incorporating Saucha on your mat and how you're integrating Saucha into your daily life. Please comment below and share. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.